here.
Yes, they're right there. I see them.
There's one in here.
Got one.
There's one in here that's fucking outrageously huge.
Oh, I found no! I got him again.
There's one, Hannah, right there. He went there. He's just, oh, there he went, right behind you, Dad.
I want the one who were riding like a fucking...
He has
Hey,
the
wait,
big
check
eyes.
this out.
What kind?
They're just sitting there. Go close.
I know, I see him.
Hey.
Ew, don't throw him by me! Oh my God, Hannah, he's by me!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Hold him right there and he'll scratch the piss out of you.
Is it a snapper?
No.
I feel a bunch of them right here.
Yeah, look right here, man. Let's give me fucking...
Take a picture. Tyler, you feel them? Yes, I feel them.
Hey, Hannah, look! Hannah, Daddy caught a
I can't
turtle!
pick it up, it's too slimy.
Daddy, do I let him go?
You bear hug it.
Daddy, do I let him go?
Put him up.
Daddy, do I let him go?
Catch him.
Wait, look at this one.
Daddy!
Hayden, put him over there, dude. Away from everybody. Let him go. Just put him away from everybody.